Hi guys, welcome to my channel Travel Shop and Love. So today I'm going to do a video on the toys which I got for my baby girl Ahana from the 3 to 6 months of her age. I'm going to share this video with you all because I have done an extensive research on what kind of toys will attract the babies of 3 to 6 months, and I found a lot of YouTube videos regarding the same, and also I Google searched a lot. After that I came to know about a lot of things which I'm going to share with you today. Those of you guys who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please click on the like button, and do check out the description box below to see more videos and haul videos. Let's get started with the video. So guys, these are the top 12 toys which I got for my baby after extensive research in the internet. I have categorized it into sections. So let me first start with the rattles which I got for her. These are the two set of rattles which I got from First Cry store. These came in a set of 2, and this is from the Mimi brand. The price was around 350. It came in a discount. So these kind of rattles are very good for the babies after the 4 months of age, because at that time their grasping power increases. But initially my girl was not able to hold this with full grasp in her hand, but now she enjoys it. In 5 months of age she enjoys this rattle a lot because it makes sound, and also she can put this all in her mouth, and she enjoys it when she have the teething issues and all. At that time she enjoys putting this in her mouth. And this rattle, she loves the teddy face, so she keeps it in front of her and just keeps on blabbering some things which I don't understand what she blabbers, but she keeps on talking to this teddy. This does not make much sound, but she loves this teddy face, and it's easy to grasp like this. So this is good for the baby. So these rattles, this helps in developing the fine motor skills of the baby. Like she's able to grasp this, and then when we shake it like this, then her eye movements and all this and hand-eye coordination, these and all improves a lot for the babies. And also the plastic quality is very good. You can easily sterilize it and keep it clean for the baby, because the babies put everything in their mouth. So these kind of toys needs to be sterilized on a daily basis. And the color contrast of these Mimi rattles are very nice. Like these kind of grabs instant attention of my baby. So these rattle toys are a must for the babies between the 3 to 6 months of age, and I guess she's going to enjoy this up till 1 year at least, because grasping this becomes a fun activity for the babies. Then the next category of the toy which I want to talk about is the O-ball toys. There were a lot of other balls and teethers and other attractive things that was present in this category, but I wanted to take this ball only for her. This ball can be used right from the newborn age itself, because this is very easy to grasp. Like at that time when like she was 1 month old, at that time she was unable to grasp toys like this rattle. So at that time this came in very handy. She was like able to put her fingers inside this and grasp it very easily with one finger. It's very lightweight, and the colors are also very attractive, and it's very light, so it's very nice for the babies. Also you can just hold it in front of them and then move it like this, so it attracts the baby's attention a lot. The price of this one, I got this from Amazon. The price of this one was 500. It's a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it for a newborn baby, because they get that kind of satisfaction of holding a toy, because they are unable to hold any other toy at that age. So this is the best one for a newborn. I will highly recommend this one for each and every baby. The fourth toy which I'm going to show you are the bath toys. Babies of 5 months of age, they generally love their bath time. So in order to make the bath time more attractive and interesting, you can get this set of duckies. I got this from First Cry store, and this was very cheap. This was of 98 rupees, and it comes in a set of 4. So these are the squeaky toys. These make this kind of noises, and when the baby takes bath, you can just put it in the water, and it grabs their attention, and so it becomes easy to manage the baby, because they might be just putting their hands over here and there, and it will be easy for you to to manage the bath time of the baby. So I would highly recommend this bath toy for them, and it's very cheap also. So this is the best one which I got in the market, easily available in First Cry. The next category of the toys are the soft toys, which I would like to talk about. This Mickey, this is very small in size, I must say, and I got this from Amazon. This is the original Disney brand soft toy, and I saw the Minnie Mouse as well, but I like this one because this is high contrast. As you can see, it's black and white, and then red, yellow. These colors attract babies a lot, so that's why instead of Minnie Mouse, I got this Mickey Mouse, and it has a small tail as well, so she enjoys chewing on this. And the second thing which I would like to point out is it's very soft. It's original Disney soft toy, so it's very soft and it's very small. It will be around 6 to 7 inches, I guess, and so she can easily grasp this. Again, she grasps this, and she always tries to talk to the Mickey Mouse, and she blabbers something which I don't understand, but maybe in her language. So this is again a very nice toy, which I am planning that I will use this as her bedtime toy, so that she will hold this and go up to sleep easily. So for bedtime training, this toy is a must. And I guess after 4 months of age, you should surely introduce a soft toy to your baby, because at that time there are lots of emotional changes going on in the baby. They always like to get cozy with the toys, soft toys. So my baby started enjoying the soft toys after 4 months of age, so I introduced this as a first soft toy. The second soft toy which I got for her is this one. I got it from Mumuso. This is a calf actually, so this is having like small patches, black patches this side, and this is clean from this side. Again, when I hold this, actually she's not able to hold this much big toy, so when I hold it in front of her, she keeps on talking and blabbering something with this one. And also she can use this as her side pillow, so this is a very soft toy. And I got this one from Mumuso, and the price of this was around 500, and the previous Mickey Mouse which I showed you, the price of this is also 500. Considering the size of this is a bit pricey, but again, this is from the Disney brand, the original Disney brand, so I was ready to pay this, because this size is best for the babies of this age, and she's going to enjoy this one after a few months, I guess, but now also she gets cozy with this one. So soft toys is a must. You should introduce to your baby after 4 months of age. The next category of toy which I would like to show you is this Cotmobile. You should always try and introduce these Cotmobiles to your baby right from her newborn stage itself, because at this stage babies tend to lay down on their back and they have nothing to see on the top except for the ceiling and the fan. So to make their cot more interesting, to make their sleep time more interesting, you can introduce such kind of Cotmobiles to them. I got this Cotmobile from Flipkart, and this I got this. The original price is, I guess, 900 or 1000, and on discount I got it for around 600, I guess. Yeah, and this was gifted by her Nanu. This is from the Mimi brand. And as you can see, these are the high contrast toys which are hanging from this. There's a sheep, there's a hen, there's this lion, and the last thing is this I guess it's a duck, hopefully. And there's a beautiful music going on, like when this is a winding key toy. So when you put the winding on, so there's a beautiful music going on, and this toy rotates like this, and it attracts and grabs the baby's attention a lot. You keep on winding, this winding will run for I guess 2 to 3 minutes, and you keep on winding it, and the baby will look at it and be amazed with it. Again, she likes to talk with this white sheep and the horse or the lion, whatever it is, I don't know, it's a horse I guess, yeah. So she keeps on staring at these toys, and now though after she's 5 months old, so she loves to grab them as well, you know, she tries to grab them, and she loves listening to this music. This is a Beethoven music, so she loves listening to this. So this is a must have for your newborn baby, and also after they turn 5-6 months of age, they will try and grab the toy, so it will enhance their motor skills a lot. So this one is a must. And the second one in the same category is the one which my mom dad got for her from Mothercare. This toy also, this toy she's enjoying right from her birth. So this is the best newborn toy which I can suggest, because you know there are a lot of crinkling sounds here, like in the ear also you can see this is quite crinkly, and here there are rattles inside, it will make nice sound. There are a lot of textures involved, like this is a soft furry texture, these are silky textures involved over here, and you know, here there are some dots and all. So as you can see, these are different texture, these are different contrasts. So when it hangs from top, the baby is going to see this view. So this is quite, you know, quite bright and contrast views which is baby going to get. And this one you can put around in their pram and also in the cot as well. So currently I'm using it in the cot. I'm going to do another video about how to decorate a baby's cot, so you can check that out in the description box below. After I make that video and upload it, I'm going to share the link with you guys. And guys, do subscribe my channel and press on the bell notification icon below for more updates on such videos. So guys, this toy is a must in the newborn phase, and this was her favorite giraffe toy, so she used to love it. And now she tries and grab the giraffe's neck, and then she blabbers with the giraffe, and she loves to hold it. So you know, these kind of toys, they grow with the baby. Initially baby used to look at them, now they try and grab them. So it kind of improves their motor skills, as well as it improves that sound hearing capabilities. So these toys are a must toys for the baby. The next one in the category of musical toys is this toy. And the earlier one which I showed you, the giraffe, this my mom dad got from Mothercare, and that was a bit costly, I guess around $1,000. This toy I got from Amazon, and this was 350 rupees. And this is the best toy ever, seriously, because you know, in musical toys, those getting those battery operated musical toys, this one is much better, because the baby can operate it themselves only right from 3 months of age. You know, what Hannah does is she just beats this toy like this, and then with her legs also she keeps on pushing the toy, and how in whatever direction you push, it will just stand still. And also this toy nods the head, so it's very cute. And I generally use this toy for her tummy time. I will put her on her tummy, and then I will place it here so that she's not able to reach it properly, and then she tries to roll and get hold of this toy. So in this process she's learning to roll, and in the tummy time she keeps in that she stays in that position for a long time. So this is quite entertaining toy during the tummy time. You can use this one. I actually ordered the pink one, but they delivered me this green one. But this is also cute, and the sound is very soothing. It's just like a wind chime, that much soothing sound. So it's perfect for the babies. So for the newborn babies, I would highly recommend those two cot mobiles which I showed you earlier, and this toy, because this newborns also tend to put their hands like this. So you know, this is the best toy for them. So in the newborn stage, these 2-3 toys are a must, and after your girl turns 3 months of age, she can be entertained with the other toys as well. The next toy which I would like to show you is books. Yes, book is also kind of a toy. I have got a lot of other books, but this is the book which my baby enjoys a lot in this stage, because other books she is not able to turn the pages, so I have to only read it to them, read all of those to her. But this Baby Touch book is awesome. She's able to handle, in fact malhandle this as much as possible. You know, she's able to just do it like this, and there will be lots of sound. There are a lot of textures and activities you can do over here, and this shiny butterfly and this woolly texture, as you can see. So these all babies tend to enjoy a lot, and also you can teach them you know, a lot of things through this book. I have uploaded videos, a read aloud video of this book, so you can get some ideas like how to teach your baby, how to introduce books to your baby. So that kind of videos are uploaded in my channel. You can go and check in the description box below, and you will get much ideas about how to introduce books to your small babies. And that's it, guys. So you can check out those videos. And this is a must-have for 3 to 6 months old kid. This is actually Ahana's first book, and she's loving this book. I hope I'm going to introduce the other books as well, and she will enjoy them equally. The last toy which I'm going to show you are the teethers. These teethers, this one I got from Amazon, and this one I got from First Cry. So this was from the Saiga brand, and the price of this one was 300, and the price of this one is 250. This is from the Mombella brand, and right now she's not liking this because these textures are quite rough, and she's not actually yet reached her teething age. So I guess she's going to enjoy, she's able to grab it easily, that's why I got it for her. But because of the texture, she's not liking this one. I guess when she will be like 8 months, she's going to enjoy this a lot, because at that time she might teeth, and she will love to grab onto these things. So this will be useful at that time. And this teether, it actually came with a case, so I love it a lot because you know, it's hygienic. And teethers, you have to keep it with utmost care so that molds are not developing on this, because babies will put this in their mouth and there will be a lot of saliva in this, so you have to sterilize it regularly before giving it to the baby. So this one I got because of the shape, you know, and she loves this right now. This is the perfect teether for her during the 3 to 6 months of age, because this is very soft. You know, she loves to chew on the giraffe's mouth and then here, and she loves these edges as well, and the tail is the best part, then this leg. So there are a lot of other textures involved over here, a lot of other shapes involved over here. So she loves this right now, but you have to use it under your supervision, because this is quite a bit heavy for her. So maybe, you know, if this falls on your baby's face, they are going to get hurt. So this, you have to use it on your supervision, and after 6 months they might enjoy this on their own. So I would prefer teethers of this kind at this age, because they are not teething very badly, so they don't need something like this right now. So this acts as a toy, as well as there are lots of soft areas to chew on. And in case of this one, she loves chewing on this area because here there are no textures, but these and all she don't likes, you know, because it's very rough. So this is the teether. So guys, that's it for my video. I have shown you the top 12 toys which I am using right now for my baby. I made this video to help you guys for the toy selection, because I did an extensive research on the toys which I like to buy for my baby, because there are a lot of toys in the market. So we as a parents kind of get confused regarding which toy to buy, which one to leave. So that's why I did this video. And there are some other toys also which I got, but I didn't like them that much. So these were the toys which are the best one, which my baby enjoys a lot, and I would surely like you also to get these for your baby. And do mention in the comment section below what toys did you get for them and how did they like it. And if you like this video, guys, do share it and subscribe to my channel please, and stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.